you know the Dan, you know, the man, you know, the one, you know. Right now, me are
Chaddy TV.
Chaddy TV, and we say check him out for all your news, your views, your reviews, and everything you need to know, is it me?
And YouTube, you know, come in say YouTube, that show, and such show, yo.
Yeah, Chaddy Murray, I'm your biggest fan.
Ricky Chopper said that.
It's exploded right now.
One of the answers about the thing they represent the man. Yo, versatile. Carvings Friday, this and every Friday, make the people them turn out. They don't know starting Friday, October 26. You understand? Mountain View I place today, you can't miss it in a man. Kingston 3, you see the prayer. That's about the thing I represent for that one, so make sure it's on the turn out. Don't know, whole heap of girl go did this is one of the topless edition. So make sure it's on the turn out, the girl them go put the word out, whole heap of happenings.
You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. And people, yeah. I have it forward on camera for that one. You see through little studio where I deal with. It not done yet, you see me? So we just have to just freestyle it so. Cause I just a forward from work and I see a story we go on in the idea and I say, you know what? I put up a review. Yo, my internet a move shaky. So I'll know the review where they never go up yet. So probably I'll see that 1 year before the next one when I put up. Anyway still, we are going to talk about Spice. You see me? Because Spice wrong, yo. Spice deal with nightly fix away and people. If you don't know what me I talk about, me go to Spice in a little part of the interview right here, so.
I was talking about artists in the land, but we're not going to talk about it anymore. So people, when they hear when Spice does good, and we don't talk about it, it's because we do. Because we talk about the good about Black people.
You never talk about
but you
the
miss
good.
that because you have people feeding you. Oh, ning.
You never talk about the good.
We talk about the good
anyway,
about Black people
but
and
anyway,
how the strategy
our
is good.
conversation now has expired. So you can do me a favor, suck your mother.
Alright, so, mom,
In a blood clot,
Mama, I hope
this
you
like
see
pussy hold this.
so I
Stop from the
I
name.
hope whenever Spice
The
is
one
sick
who fuck me,
and
you
she
want
comes,
who
she
this,
can't
you
take
want
it.
know everything about me.
Whenever
Come
we
off
talk
from the
about
name.
who fuck
Your time
Spice,
expire, come off from the name of
Mom,
a nightly fix. Stop blood
I
clot,
hope
call the
that
name
when
of
she's
your
sick and
program.
comes to the hospital,
Everything
that
about
you
you.
forgive
All the
and stop
shoes,
it.
all your blue shoes,
Alright.
me eat for your foot. The way me eat you over there.
This next time show
The
me,
blood
but-
clot time expire
Thank you
about
for your
that.
time,
Time stop
Spice.
me eat nightly fix and me eat you. Me eat your blood
Let's
clot.
start.
Yeah man, stop live for me name.
Yeah, so you see how Spice dealt with the man. And people, for those who don't know, that you there named Naro from Nightly Fix. You see me? Two of them have the Nightly Fix thing I go on. That go on good, you see me? So them two that show there is kinda halfway pan yo John was there. All bag of nice there, so. Anyway still, that show there is both them used to go up on radio, but now them kind of they on internet. So I alone internet them thing they know, you see me? But why Spice deal with the man so? Spice now have no right to deal with the man so. And I just watch a video when Nightly Fix put up, you know, because as when I said in the previous video where Nightly Fix, me I watch them a long time and yo, you see that brother where they went name Naro, that youth there is just a troll. And sometimes a business need you like them they will bring vibes and thing. You see me, them man they bring joke to the thing. Either you like it or you don't like it. Either you watch it or you don't watch it. Me never seen none of them a beg people and say yo them need to watch them thing. And them have a large platform. Them what you call it? Them subscription are like 70,000 and to me they were one of the fastest growing radio shows in Jamaica. No doubt about that. And they put them did smart because them put them thing on YouTube. So even when them they kick them off a radio, I don't know if a them quit. Either whatever the case be. When they found off a radio, them did still have them platform. You see me? But what me I try say yo, I'm pretty this. I mean I show you say Spice, yo, you see them artists yeah. I mean I make sure I show my face, you know, cause me not really want that video to go out. You see me? And that's why I say I have to come on camera to talk about them things. You see me? I want a vlogger where I just forward the night thing. And them things happen to, yo, I feel it. I not telling a lie. You see me? It's like when I did watch the Splice interview, when she deal with it, when I say the Splice interview, them have a little 1 minute, 2 minute one I go around. You see me? The viral one. When I did watch that, I say, okay. It kinda funny a bit, but seriously funny, cause the man still telling about him mother. But you see when you watch the whole interview and me get to understand some things, me I say no, this serious, cause I pray this. You keep an album launch, a mixtape launch, whatever, same difference. And you invite some selected media house, Zin, and you know say in yourself, Spice, say you and the people them don't deal. See me? You know with them, you know like the work with them, you know appreciate it. Fine. And not everybody appreciate certain work. But then you invite them and I get to understand say, even though them get invited, that was like where you see go on camera, that was like some one-on-one interview we go on, you see me? So yeah, you invite them and you search for them and say, yo, you know what? I go have a one-on-one interview with the youth and come on deal with him away. You see me? Alright. Nothing wrong with that. Because you want to get some things off your mind and off your chest. You see me? The interview go on and Moody even said the interview. You interview the man and I ask him some question. As what I say, if you have a problem, nothing wrong. If you feel like say you just a pick on you, nothing wrong. And then the interview go on, everything go on, you just press the man, and I say, yo, Chad, no star, Spice, I get, you know, if you say Spice, I get dark, because after the whole thing there, you say, Spice kind of really conscious about the whole black hypocrisy things and colorism, you see me? So, after the sit-down interview now, you don't deal with the man away, you don't have the man under pressure. You have the man under pressure, B, and you don't see it. I feel like say everything where you said to the man, if you feel say a truth as well, it cannot be truth. But the whole of that warrant because you talk how you feel. But the part where the interview practically done and you go tell the man about the mother, B. No. You go too far now. You go too far, Spice. You're a top dancehall artist, you know. And you are the biggest female artist right now in our ladies are left it gear, you know. You see me? So you know feel say are you people are gonna talk about. You know feel say everything you do are you them are gonna talk about. Vybz Kartel was the top. I'm sure say Vybz Kartel is the top dancehall artist. You see me? And every single thing a Cartel them talk about, Cartel did even make a tune about it and take it off Joe Valley. If me no shit them can, every style when me make them one. You get what me I say? So why you could even diss them in a track then? Me would even feel no way if you diss them in a track. I wouldn't say yo that a art. But when you go call the people them out of them bed or out of wherever them they invite them at such place just to tear down them thing, I foolish that man. I mean not care who wanna agree with me, but this is my point. So you tell me say no, if you do something with me no like, me have to think twice. To know if me fi bring it up on my little channel about you yes or no. Spice is something where you continuously do. You do it against Bella Beer too. Whether or not it did warrant, yes or no. Spice, when you go over Tropics, 1 million people, Tropics we post a picture and 1 million people say good boy. And you pick out that one and class them up and tell them about them mother, father, auntie. Spice a full time now if you start act like a dancehall artist, act like the top dancehall artist. Right now, you act like somebody where they way down below one level. See me? And you try for publicity. You try to get publicity. Spice, your work is all the publicity you need. Spice, you put in the work. As what I say, that's something of the argument. They never over warrant. I want you. You're going like you want these people. And so I saw you could have forward now and this me. Right now, John no star. This is just Chaddy event, you know, because I'm hurt. I mean, I tell you, say, this morning, when me see it, me never that hurt. But you see when me forward and me see the video where Nightly Fix them put out, me feel away. And you're going like say people them not talk good things, boy. People them talk good things, boy. But what? You see, we as a black people, we as a nation here, we always gravitate against the bad. We always, if somebody say 100 big up, if somebody 1,000,000 big up, you see me? 1,000,000 people are big you up. You see that one somebody we say, yo, you know say me never like the artist there. You know say me never like that girl there. That girl if you watch it, you know. And the one day you highlight, and the one day you highlight, you as artist, you fi do better and stop going like say you no respect vloggers. I want to know. Yo, you fi know what you do, man. Cause remember, you know, without we no trend. You hear that? I feel like say I just right, so me I cut it. It's a boy DJ Chaddy. If you agree with me, just state it in the comment section. If you don't agree, just state it same way. If you like it, just like it. And if you dislike it, just dislike it. But if you are going to dislike it, state in the comment section and tell me why you dislike it. And you see, if we are going to have a decent conversation and you see me, a decent reasoning, or if you put your point of view in a respectable manner, I might just comment back to you. I'm out.